Hello everyone. In today's video I will tell you how to change the background color of your workspace in Revit. Just like some people do like a background like AutoCAD. So how can you change this white background to black or any color you want? The first step you have to do is come here to File, go to click on Options. After that go to Graphics, and here you can change its background color to black, brown, or any color you want. So if you want to change it to black, just click on black and click OK. So now everything you will draw uh, will be in according to just like AutoCAD. So if this black seems too black to you, then go to File, Options, Graphics. The settings which I used, I just simply change these 3 to 53, and then the color becomes a bit more pleasing to the eyes. So that's how you can change background color of your workspace to any color. Thank you.